On Windows 11, if you have multiple audio devices you don't use, for instance speaker built into the monitor, headphones, headset or hand-free audio peripherals, you can disable them to prevent them from appearing in the list of available devices. If the audio device is missing in the sound settings, you may need to use the legacy settings to re-enable the hardware. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to enable audio device from legacy sound settings. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings. Click on system. Click the sound tab. Under the advanced section, click the more sound settings option. Click the playback tab. Select the audio device. Click the properties button. Choose the use this device option from the device use settings. Click the apply button. Click the OK button. Once you complete the step, the device will enable and appear again in the sound settings. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.